addition process. Okay? Guess the answer. Who will be the answer? The answer first will be the winner. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. Wow, Alexis winner! Wala pa di. Next, another one. 1 point for Alexis. Kuya, you answer also. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7.
Go Alexis. 7. Dali na. No, again. 8. 14.
Yay! Another one. Kuya, you answer. Alexis, 2.
The answer is 15.
Oh, 15. Next.
Okay. Okay.
Alexis, you sit down there.
Next is.
Next. 9 minus 2.
Kuya, sa ating nilay. Hindi na mag-reveal sa ano.
7.
Kuya is the...
9 minus 2. Kuya is 1 point. Alexis, 2 points. Sit down lang, Alexis. Not yet done. Okay.
How about it?
Alexis.
6 minus 4.
It's 2. 6
Kuya
Kuya got...
got 2 points. Let's go to addition again. Addition.
Last one.
Last one daw ko, no? Dapat siya makadaog. 15 plus...
Dali, Alexis, dali.
Dali!
Go there, go there.
15.
15 plus 8. Alexis, you can do your best.